the type of stuff that my cousin showed me. It's his exam paper. Look at it. Look at it. Just look at this shit. And look. Just look at this stuff. I don't even know. And apparently to him, this test was harder than it looks like. It was harder than this one. And apparently, this was not 60 points, it was 75. He said on his geography test, the total of his geography test is 125. I don't know about this guy, but he's cooked, fried, toasted, burned, and utterly destroyed.